In today's video, I'll be showing you very simple steps you can use to lock any app on your iPhone. Okay, now on your iPhone, you can see here shortcut. This very app here, it comes pre-installed on the phone. But if you can't find it, you can go to your app stores and find this shortcut here. Just tap and open shortcut. If you open shortcut, then it will be on this. By default, it will be here. Understand? So come here on this plus sign here and tap on this plus sign here. If you tap on it, you can come here on this search here and search for lock. If you search, you see here lock screen. Tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see here done. Tap on this done. Then if you tap on this done, then come here, you can see here automation. Tap on it. Then you can see here new automation. Tap on it to create an automation. So if you tap on it, you can come here on this search here and search for app. You can see here app. Tap on it. If you tap on it, so from here you can come here and select run immediately. And also if you wish, you can select this one here, notify when run. Select it or toggle this on. So after that, you can come here on this choose. You can see here app. Tap on this choose to choose an app you want to lock. For instance, let me say I want to lock my Facebook. I can scroll down and look for Facebook, because right here I will see all the apps on my phone. You can see here Facebook. I will tap and select Facebook. For instance, I can also still select another app. Let me say I want to also select for instance my Gmail. Also select my Gmail. After that, I'll come here and tap on this done. You can see, so from here I'll tap on this next. So it brings me back to my shortcut. So I'll come here and tap on this lock. Select this lock screen which I've created already. So after that, I'm done. So now if I go to my phone here and tap on my Facebook to open, it will lock. You can see it's my Facebook. If I tap here, you can see the screen will lock automatically. So the shortcut is working. You can see, so I can only use my face ID or my password to unlock it. If I tap here, it will unlock because my face is closer to the phone. Also same thing, if I go to my Gmail app for instance and tap on it, you see it will lock. You can see, so same way, if I can use my face to unlock it. But if I go to other apps for instance that I didn't enable the lock, for instance I can come to, let me see, my WhatsApp for instance and tap on it. It won't lock because I did not enable the lock. But though I actually enable a face ID on my WhatsApp automatically, you can see. So also for instance, if I come here on my, let me just say on my Chrome and tap on it, it will just open because I did not enable the automation. You can see. So that is it. Very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.